Yeah, I don't know if they let us go up or not. Be neat to say, hey, we walked into Canada. Now there's the Canadian border right there. It's the customs. Yeah. Hey, get out of here. What's the matter with y'all? Where's your passport? Have you been vaccinated?
Right now the Spartans are open up some of the borders.
There's up there on that's the way station before you get in. It's over here is where you cross the border. It's where your customs guys are. See, you gotta go through right there. Yeah, see, you cross over right there. Yes, sir. I seen a tower. There's a tower right over there. That goes way back deep in there. By the time we walk it would take you 30 minutes to an hour. I'd walk it if it was me, but it ain't me. But I mean, that looks beautiful. That ridge, if I was deer hunting, I'd be out on that ridge, or out on that ridge over there. It's just all perfect. I bet you, that's what I was going to say, I bet you big bucks come out here. I'd say, well, if we go on down this road, keep driving on this road, we'll see more of this right here.